A collaborative exhibit came to my mind after I participated in an online exhibit that was sponsored by Mary Akers, and artists were invited to submit their artwork, and nationally recognized poets were also invited to look at the paintings and create written word that would be inspired by the paintings. Then I thought it might be a good idea to include the Tomoka Poets Society artists, and I invited those artists by sending additional images to them, and they produced some wonderful poetry. So after that exhibit, I thought, gee, it would be a great idea to have that exhibit here at the Art League. And then they came up with the idea of combining sculpture with the written word and the paintings. So that's how this exhibit came about.
I want to thank the Art League and Jean for the opportunity to create my 3D interpretation of the fabulous paintings that Jean does with her bold and exciting color. I had a lot of fun, and when these were put next to the painting I saw for the first time the other day, I was very pleased with their discussion with each other.
Oh, Nancy, you really created a terrific impression of my artwork. It just captures the essence of the painting.
Well, good.
I appreciate that, and I think you're a great sculptor.
Well, thank you. You taught me how to respond to this type of impression.
Alone it stands, the last bulwark against the invasion that never comes. A great red sphinx looming over the cliffs, guarding the waves and clouds, outwardly alert. But inside, the fortress echoes with barrenness. The last of its platoons melted away, returned to their lives as businessmen, farmers, servants. Its meaning gone, its use now useless. It slowly, meaningfully crumbles away. Only the gulls, wheeling and crying among the cliffs, man the battlements, prepared to do battle with the weather and advance in conquest upon the fish.
Thank you, Mark. I am so impressed with your prolific work and your very emotional rendition of what you see in my painting. This painting was inspired by a book that I read about a little girl who was sexually abused. I painted a series of sexually abused paintings, and the partner painting with it is the same story of that sad little girl standing in front of her home, feeling abandoned by her mother.
Her heart thunders in her chest. She sees Mommy kissing that man. Barbed wire cuts into her unnoticed as she tastes salt on her lips. Pain pulses. Her mind screams, "Mommy, do you know? He hurts me, Mommy. Mommy? Mommy?"
I received Jean's images of her paintings, and I got so excited because of the abstract work, the colors and whatever. And my sculptures normally tell a story. When I looked at this painting, it immediately made me think of the Native Americans. The female on top represents what I would consider the female in this painting. So it was really a joy to do.
And Patty, you really captured the essence of this painting too, because it represents the Trail of Tears. And you've picked that up, and I'm so pleased, and that it so represents what I did in my painting. I think it makes a good combination.
Thank you, Jane.